Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. We arrived at Istanbul. And not our first choice, the hotel, but it's very close to where we are now, and it's a rustic one, but it's okay. So today we're just gonna roam the streets here and see Istanbul. This is our third time in Istanbul, twice with the motorcycle now. And look, Hagia Sophia, and there the entrance to Topkapi Museum.
And let's go to mangiare.
Let's go eat something.
Ama çarşının kapalı.
No.
Ama sen gitmeye yardım yapmanız lazım. Geçerli olsun, her şey olsun.
Wait, no.
Aşık tortu.
Ne? Multistrada.
You need a beer.
No, I don't drink alcohol.
You want to eat?
Yeah, she decides, not me. She has the money.
Yeah, she's the boss, you are right, she's the boss.
Yeah, spend some.
We have very good food.
She's the boss now.
I see.
One this?
One this for her. And one this for me.
And drink?
Drink.
Fresh orange? Fresh orange?
No. Water.
Two waters.
Da? Două ape? Două
Cola,
ape?
Fanta, Sprite.
Chai for her.
One chai, one water.
One water, one chai. So this is not a food channel, so you won't be seeing extravagant foods in Istanbul and stuff like that, because mainly we don't like that kind of food. We like to keep it simple, and also we don't have the money for it, because spending like 60 liras for each person is like 120 lira for one meal, and 12 liters of gas you saw is like 100 lira. Okay, so then let's not spend 100 lira per food and do like 200 or 300 kilometers more, you know. So we keep it simple. We keep it simple with donors, kebabs, and stuff like that. Easy food, easy peasy.
No es que siempre donde ellos te llegan. ¿No ves?
Oye, todo ensalada.
Hello.
Bizim köy güzel, köy güzel.
Pe roșu.
Hei, să bani.
Hey, sir.
Să mergi mai încolo.